Take me in. Take me in. Yeah. A breath upon the embers, a whisper in the dark, the quiet steady presence that fans the dying spark. You find the soul that's frozen, locked in the winter's night, then you wrap it in the furnace of your holy healing light. No longer cold or hollow, no longer standing still. The spirit starts to soften beneath your sovereign will. Like water for the thirsty, like oil for the flame. You call the heart to venture in the power of the name. Take the soul and hold it, make the lukewarm start to glow, until the fire within us is the only life we know. Check me in, check it. I was frozen in the shadows, locked behind the gate, but you hit the winter hard, man, you didn't even hesitate. You're the furnace, you're the healing, you're the fire in the bone. Take it, everything I'm feeling, and you make it all your own. No more standing on the sidelines, no more staying hollow. Where the spirit leads the venture, that's the only path I follow. In the power of the name, yeah, we're breaking every chain. Let the oil meet the flame, let it wash away the pain. Take the soul and hold it, make the lukewarm start to glow, until the fire within us is the only life we know. Take me in, take me in, make the lukewarm glow. The only life we take the soul and hold it, keep it glowing, make the lukewarm start to glow, oil for the flame, until the fire within us, spirit take me in, is the only life we know. Take me in. The quiet, the steady presence, the fans, the dying spark.